The wire cloth conversion chart can be a little daunting if you've never used it, but it can be a valuable tool in determining the appropriate wire diameter and percent of open area for maximizing production of your application. We'd like to take just a few moments to show you how to use our equivalent chart to your advantage. If you don't have one but would like one, give us a call or drop us an email. When you open the chart, you see the following information. As you can see, there are 4 columns: US sieve, TBC or tinsel bolting cloth, mill grade, and market grade. Now let's say you're currently using 60 mesh market grade with a 0.0075 wire diameter. The opening is a 0.0092 with a percentage of open area at 30.5. Now let's say you want to maintain the same opening but increase the percent of open area for your application. That's a 78 mesh TBC or tinsel bolting cloth, which is a 0.0091 opening, similar to the 0.0092 you're currently using, and a 0.0037 wire diameter, which gives you a 50.6% open area. That's versus the 30.5% open area you have with your current screen. Now let's try another scenario. Suppose that wires are breaking in your screens. You suspect that the product being screened is too aggressive for the wire diameter of the mesh you are currently running. At 28 mesh, with a wire diameter of 0.0075, which is a 0.0282 opening, you see that the percent of open area is 62.4. You want to increase the longevity of the screen by increasing the thickness of the wire while maintaining a similar opening. Going down the mill grade column, we see an opening of 0.0275, which is a 26 mesh 0.011 wire with a 51.1% open area. If you want to increase the wire thickness to ensure even longer life, you would move into the market grade family. Scanning the opening column, we see opening 0.0277 corresponds with 24 mesh, the wire diameter of 0.014. The percent of open area is 44.2. Now let's say you're running a 60 US sieve on your Rotap machine. You need to convert that US sieve number 60 to a standard manufacturing mesh cloth from either the tinsel bolting cloth, mill grade, or market grade families. Focus on the opening of your US sieve number 60, which is 0.0098. Yes, 74 TBC or tinsel bolting cloth has the identical opening. So there you have it. Not so hard to understand once you walk through it. I hope you found this helpful. If you still have questions or would like a chart, please give me a call or drop me an email. And thanks from Compass Wire.